Infor Time Track, Administrator Homepage, Secondary Configuration Forms. The secondary configuration forms are used to shape how an employee's hours flow through Time Track, but are not required to complete an employee record. The first of these are shift patterns. These allow a site to schedule shift changes for the employee at predetermined intervals. The intervals are daily, weekly, or monthly, and a shift pattern may have as many legs to it as the site desires. Next, we look at audit control. This allows a site to create historical logs of clock time, elapsed time, and payroll processing industry. Audit control may also be used to maintain a log of changes to configuration forms. Finally, we have the time off group. This opens up the time off group ID. We use this form to configure tracking specifications of absence codes. Once a time off group is defined, it may be assigned to an employee record to track and limit usage of those absence hours.